If you're looking for a small but drastic change for your 2005 through 2015 Tacoma or your 2016 through 2023 Access Cab Tacoma, this Morimoto X3B LED third brake light will be one to check out. This third brake light will offer a huge upgrade to your current light with a darker appearance, brighter performance, and a very stylish three-dimensional look, which will be sure to complement other lighting that you may already have on your Tacoma or plan on installing. This won't just benefit your truck in the styling that this offers, but compared to the stock equipment, this will be much more noticeable so you can remain a little bit safer on the road. The LED lighting inside of those jewel-like raised lenses here will have a high output and will have the option to install a rapid flash module to make the light much more apparent to people behind you, and we do offer that on the site if you are interested in that function. Aside from the bright LED lighting with the housing here, this will offer the light some sporty dimension with the raised lens in the front in addition to the arrow-inspired brow up on top of the light. This light, for what it is very tough with a polycarbonate housing and a polycarbonate lens, both being incredibly tough plastics that are able to take some abuse, and this does have a piano black finish to it. It's very dark, and the clear construction on the front will allow those lights to shine very bright through while also getting the darker appearance at the same time, kind of getting the best of both worlds. Now, both will be UV resistant to resist any yellowing, oxidation, or any other type of sun damage, which is very important considering that it is in a spot that is constantly subjected to the elements. The LEDs on the inside will also be incredibly efficient and require no maintenance down the line thanks to the very long lifespan, and the lighting will be completely plug and play. It does have a factory style connector on the back, so you're not going to have to worry about a tough install. Something that I also think is a nice touch is that this has a thick piece of foam on the back, so when you are installing this, it is going to not only fit very tight to the back of the truck, but it's also going to protect it from any scratching or damage. This will be one of the pricier choices, but for a third brake light with this kind of construction, I think it's for good reason at roughly about $250. Now, this has very unique features with the bulkier design and the 3D lens on the front, the very high output LEDs with the specialized lenses, and the option to add more capabilities if you'd like down the line. Now, others may not carry those functions in addition to the bulkier or the more three-dimensional design. They may be flat to the back of the truck, so I think that this is going to make it a great choice for you if you're looking for something different and you don't mind investing in a premium third brake light. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should only take you about 30 minutes to get the job done. Install is very straightforward, and at this point we can head over to our shop to show you that install step by step. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
First install, you need a ratchet and a T20 socket. All right, today we're going to be installing a third brake light on our Tacoma, so let's get started. All right, now we're just going to come to our third brake light. We have 2 screws holding it in, so we're going to grab our ratchet and T20 socket and take those 2 out. All right, we're just going to pull our light out. We're going to disconnect our connector right here. Just push down the red tab, pull it apart, grab our new light, plug our connector in, tuck the wiring in, and then set the light in place. And we're going to reinstall our 2 screws.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this Morimoto X3B LED third brake light, fitting all 2005 through 2015 Toyota Tacomas and 2016 through 2023 Access Cab Toyota Tacomas. And you can find this right here at extremeterrain.com.